How to use Memrise application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can use Memrise application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Memrise is a language learning application that allows you to learn new languages through their interactive lessons, videos, and AI-based learning techniques. And here is a simple guide on how you can use it effectively. So first of all, you need to download and install the application either from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. After that, open up the application in your mobile device. After you open it up, if you already have an account, all you have to do is tap on I have an account and log in with your credential. But if you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started. Then you have to select a language to learn. Select your preferred language. Now you can sign up using your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email. So for now, we will just continue with the Google account. Tap on Google. Then you have to select your account. If you select the sign up with email option, you have to enter your email address and then you have to create a password. But if you just want to log in with your Google, you can simply select the Google. After that, you have to select from this given option. Here it says tailor your lessons by choosing your level. So choose your level. For now, we will just tap on the first option, that is I have zero knowledge, so learn from scratch. If you want to set up your learning reminders, you can do that as well. But you can also skip this. So tap on skip for now. Allow all the required permissions. And if you want to get more features, you can buy the Memrise subscription as well. Here, view all the required or all the information given here. If you want to stay on free plan, tap on I'll stay on free plan. Now you can start learning their languages. You can start with basic words and their meanings and watch real people speaking to improve pronunciation. Also, you can use conversation with an AI. Here you will see various options. Tap on the videos so that you can learn from the video. There are some AI buddies. There you can practice conversation with an AI as well. You can also take quiz like speed, review, and listening skills to reinforce your learning as well. Here in your home page, you will see all your score, your learn words, hear my words, and use my words. All your points will be displayed here. In case if you want to change language, tap on the language icon at the top left, and from there you can select the new language. If you want to set a daily goals and track progress, you can also do that. Set a daily streak goal to stay consistent. So tap on the streak icon, and here you can view all of your information regarding your streak as well. Here, if you land on the scenarios, tap on scenarios, and here you can view various scenarios or explore various topics right here. If you want to get to your review mode, tap on review, and under review you can practice the word you have learned. So you can practice daily for your better retention. Repeat difficult words using the spaced repetition features and engage with native speaker videos for real world context, and in this way you can use the Memrise application more effectively. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.